This is the Oarsman's Report. I'm Esdras Melgar. I'm here joined with students and faculty who are participating today on Earth Day.
The event was organized by myself and Ms. Nomachi primarily, but there's been a lot of other teachers that are participating in today's activities. How it came about is Earth Day has been around since 1970, and at Venice High School we've had an Earth Day fair off and on over the past several years. Ms. Nomachi and I and some of the other teachers decided we would bring it back and have displays of student work and projects out here where they could display what they've learned about the Earth and sustainability and addressing some of the issues affecting globally what's happening to our world today.
Can you tell us about what's going on in the booths?
Yeah, my class, for example, we're doing a Earth Day bingo, which is just kind of a fun game thing, using vocabulary from Earth Day and sustainability and the environment. And we have a display of a water filter project the students did. Some of the other teachers, like Dr. Cross-Critty's students, are talking about straws and plastics and the damage they're doing to the environments. Mr. Vicente's out here with his students. Ms. Nomachi's out here with a bunch of public service announcements. Mr. Rabinowitz has the World Wildlife Fund, the Endangered Species project out here, and also some information about water and water conservation. So there's a whole bunch of different projects and information for students about the Earth.
I'm here joined by Ms. Barnhill, whose booth is right behind us. Tell us more about your booth.
So our booth is focusing on ecotourism, which is a kind of tourism where the hotels and the activities you do are designed to have a lower impact on the environment. So it could be something as simple as purchasing we call it biologique, which is organic foods for the restaurant. Some of these places use solar power energy and other energy saving examples. So there's highlighting just kind of some of the good things about ecotourism, why you should do it, and also places you can actually visit.
So tell us, in your opinion, why Earth Day is very important.
I think Earth Day is important because you guys are learning, you're here to learn, and this is a good educational opportunity for you to learn more about different projects that are going on around the world, and also what you can do, like choices you can make in your own life to help protect our environment.
I'm here joined by Mr. R. As an environmental and science teacher, how is Earth Day very important?
Okay, well, this day obviously brings awareness to how important it is to take care of our resources here on the Earth, because everything is finite. People need to realize that we only have one Earth and that we have limited natural resources. So the more people can be educated and educate others about taking care of the environment, the better off we'll be.
This is a recreation between Los Angeles and Hawaii. There are approximately 79,000 tons of litter across the Pacific Ocean.
Well, the booth is all about reducing plastic pollution, especially with straws and utensils. So here we have straws made out of plants, some made out of paper, and some other ones made out of stainless steel and glass. Because glass is it doesn't release chemicals when melted. All it does is since it's made out of sand, is all natural.
I'm here joined by Azriel. Tell us more about your bike.
All right, so what I've done is I have made a more eco-friendly way to charge your phone with electricity you are already generating when you're pedaling. So when I plug in this 9-volt battery, the phone will turn on and it will start charging.
What have you learned so far from walking around the booths?
So far, what I learned and found interesting is ecotourism. It's my first time hearing it, and usually when I take trips and stuff, I don't really mind about all the nature and the surroundings, but what I really learned about ecotourism is that it does help conserve water, and it helps nature and wildlife.
Kyle, what did you learn from this event?
I learned about ocean pollution and how we are polluting our Pacific Ocean near Hawaii.
Jack, what does Earth Day mean?
Well, it's just honestly a day to recognize Earth, and we take it for granted sometimes, and that we actually have to protect and conserve it, because this is where we live, and we're gonna live here forever, hopefully. But it's just a day to recognize how we can help and improve the Earth environmentally.
I hope this video gave you more insight on Earth Day at Venice High. Comment down below on ways on how to help out the environment. If you're interested in watching more videos, please click down below. Signing off, this has been the Oarsman's Report.